Dave Porter here on location. I'm here with Tom from Monarch Doors. Tom's going to take the time to educate us on some fabulous doors that you're offering, as well as sheds today. Your company is really not only coming in at very competitive pricing, you're winning most of the jobs that you're bidding on. Tell me about your company and why you've been so successful.
I have certain builders that come to me. I get invitations to bid for all these commercial jobs every day. But my reputation is out there that they know that we get the job done, and we get it done just how they want it, at the price that they need.
When it comes to garage door repairs, garage door installs, your company has the experience to recognize the problems and really save people money in many situations, even on the garage door repairs. Is that correct?
One of the main things we have here is that the warehouse. I keep so many parts in stock that a lot of the residential people who do decide to fix the door on themselves, and a lot of the local garage door companies come here to buy all their parts and material.
I'm not sure how far out you'll travel.
Residentially, we go 50 miles every day. Commercially, we'll go to other states. We're down in Delaware, we're over in Jersey, we've done jobs down in Virginia. Commercially, if the job is within a driving distance, we'll go.
From Quakertown, that is,
All from Quakertown.
50 mile radius. That includes old Bucks County, Montgomery County, Lehigh County. That stretches over into New Jersey too, right?
Over in New Jersey, we're up
Camden,
in the Poconos.
Huntington County.
Yep.
Your products, you back your service. You've been there for 50 years and you're still going to be there tomorrow. It's not like you're a fly-by-night company installing a garage door. Bob, you're kind enough to come on camera with us to share a testimonial about the doors not only we have behind us, but a working relationship that you have with Monarch Doors. Can you tell me why you selected Monarch Doors out of so many different door companies? And I know you have a long-term working relationship, I believe over 10 years.
Yes.
Tell me about that relationship and tell me what they've done for you here.
The contractor that I use on all my homes, CCR, has been working with them for a long time. Really, we only look at one. We always go to Monarch. They just always take care of us. We get competitive pricing and their service is great. We make a call to them, we tell them what we're looking for. They always show up on time and do what they say. That's what we're always looking for. We use a lot of subs and we're looking for subcontractors, whether it's providing garage doors or any of the service. We're looking for the people who do what they say they'll do. And I would say Monarch is one of the subcontractors we just worry least about. We just call them and it's taken care of.
For your residential garage doors or sheds now, offering sheds, right?
That's the latest venture that we're getting into now. Sheds is just the newest line that we're going after now. I've gotten so many calls for people needing sheds built that we just started building them. This shed here we just built is a 16 by 20, I think it is, that we just built for ourselves. But I get calls all the time, and so now we're building sheds.
You couldn't find a better person to do both things based under those circumstances. So I do appreciate you taking the time, Tom, and we look forward to promoting your residential garage door service. Thank you.